Hello. Now again I am Sumit Basu. Welcome to my channel Differentiation for class 12. Let's start. This is y equal to 1 plus x squared, not 1 plus x. In the previous video, 18 video number, there was 1 plus x. We assumed cos 2 theta. Now let's see what we assume or substitute for x square so that it becomes differentiable. So mind, it is not 1 plus x. For 1 plus x we assumed in the previous sum, but you know that cos 2 theta, but here that is cos theta, it is cos 2 theta, and it is 1 plus cos 2 theta plus root over 1 minus cos 2 theta. So what the trigonometry substitution here? It is x squared equal to cos 2 theta. So let's continue same thing, not difficult part. Let's do it very fast, or rather just this same thing using here multiple angle formula. Now 2 cos square theta plus, that is minus, not plus, sorry, let's make it minus 2 sin square theta. Now taking root 2 will go out, taking root 2 common, so very easy part, this is not difficult part. So begin writing malpractice plus make it again minus, make it minus, so plus, that is minus, same part, same sum as previous one. Anyway, it is dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta. We get this actually. Actually, the previous line is divided by cos theta, both the numerator and denominator. So 1 plus is 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. The difference is only that. So it will be tan A plus B. Because in 1 you can put pi by 4, so tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. See other video also easy, this part. Just previous video, see video number 18, or follow the playlist, you can follow this very easy and common format. Now let us proceed for the other part of this sum. Now carefully follow this sum. Now what to do next part? Oh, tan inverse again. This is not written. So there is a tan inverse in the beginning. Otherwise, so this tan is removed. So only pi by 4 plus theta is equal to, now tan inverse tan x equal to x. So replacing this by theta or pi by 4 plus theta. Now putting the value of theta, and now we proceed for the differentiation. Let us see what to do the next steps. Y equal to pi by 4. Now putting the value of theta, theta equal to half cos inverse x square, cos inverse x square. So in the bracket showing how we get this, cos 2 theta equal to x square, or 2 theta equal to cos inverse x square, or theta equal to half cos inverse x square. So essential to show the steps. Now y equal to dwrtx, again chain rule may be used, better to use, not maybe. So dy by dx equal to dd x of pi by 4 plus half outside into dy by dv of v square, like this, into dd. So follow the steps. So chain rule in between, or in the trigonometric substitution, chain rule is used everywhere. So we replaced x square by v, so it will be cos inverse v. As you know, cos inverse v is a normal form, and 0 minus root over 1 minus v square into 2x, into 2x. Very carefully follow the chain rule. So equal to, so it is equal to, let us rearrange it. So is equal to minus minus dy by dx equal to 2 minus, so become plus, putting the value of v, so it is plus 1 minus root over 1 minus x to the power 4, 2 to the 1 minus x to the power 4. Hope this is the answer. So always practice method of substitutions, trigonometric substitutions, all this type of sum, chain rule, very carefully, so that step by step do. Now come to the next sum, sum number 2. It is y equal to sin square cot inverse 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Find dy dx. It is sin inverse cot. So how to remove this cot, and after doing then sin square. This is very special sum, important sum for all the students, for all boards of class 12, state board, CBSC, ISC, HS, BR board, all boards, because maths is common to all boards. This is a general rule. So we assume x equal to cos 2 theta. Now let's see. So sin inverse, cot inverse, same thing. 2 sin square theta by 2 sin square theta. This for plus cos square theta, for minus 2 cos theta. So is equal to this part. So 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 by 2 sin square theta. So 2 cos square theta by 2 sin square theta. So 2 to gone. So therefore sin inverse. Therefore sin inverse. Let us see. It is sin inverse cot inverse, cot inverse cos theta by sin theta, cot theta, cos theta by sin theta. What a interesting part this. So sin inverse, cot theta. So everything is in your hand. Practice and you can do. So assumption is like this. These are all important sums equal to so cot inverse cot theta equal to theta. So we have replaced this part. Now let's see. It is so very easy sum. So dy equal to, now putting the value of theta equal to like before, theta equal to, from the part we get what happened here. So sine square, not inverse, sine square. Very careful all the sums. Sine square, that is sine square. So y equal to sine square theta. Now this part is important. Sine square theta, you can, that is two ways, but it is the best way using the multiple angle. So sine square theta is half 1 minus cos theta. So you must write down the reason. So use multiple angle. When there is any sine cube, sine square, use the formula from the multiple angle. So it becomes easy and you can easily differentiate or integrate whatever the sum. So sine square, sine cube, always use the formula from there. So y equal to, therefore y equal to sine square theta to 1 minus x, or y equal to half differentiating with respect to x, what to see, dy by dx is equal to dx of x. So answer is minus of. So this is the answer. So dy by dx equal to minus of is the answer. Hope you have understood. This sum is not a difficult sum, but very important. Assumption is very important. So let's come to again the third sum. This is very important sum, and you must be very aware. Confusing. Here there is no way but to practice this type of sum. What to substitute here, look at very carefully. It will be not difficult. So in place of sec x, we assume what? Tan theta. Let's sec x equal to tan theta. Practice this sum, very special sum. Now sin inverse sin 2 theta, it is again from the famous formula, sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is a famous formula used in the multiple angle chapter, multiple angle. So you must have aware of this formula. It is frequently used in calculus, in both integration as well as differentiation, continuity, everywhere, especially in the chain rule. So sin square inverse sin 2 theta, you must not forget to write down this. So sin inverse sin 2 theta equal to 2 theta, putting the value to theta equal to what? You already know from the assumption we get tan inverse sec x, theta equal to tan theta equal to sec x. So theta equal to tan inverse sec x. So I think you have guessed the sum. Now dy by dx, we have to get it, and how to do it, the sum. Very interesting and excitement zone, point of exciting. Look at those flags very carefully. dy by dx, again chain rule. dy by dv into bit. Okay, so v equal to sec x, because tan inverse sec x is not formed. 2 into dd v of tan inverse v into ddx of sec x. So problem is solved. So always carefully do this type of, whenever this is not in the direct form, always take an assumption for this and then get the differentiation of the fruit and then continue to do the same. So it is 2 by ddx tan inverse 1 plus v square. So this is sec x tan x, ddx of sec x is sec x tan x. Putting the value of this, what will get 2 into 1 by okay, and in the denominator 1 plus v is what, sec squared x. I think nothing can be done before this. This is the answer. So I think I will follow this sum. This is very interesting sum. So dy by dx we get finally, and writing it in clearly in the answer zone, the 2 sec x tan x divided by 1 plus sec square x. Thank you very much. Follow, practice. Have a nice day.